Have you ever felt like life is moving so fast and it's just hard to keep up sometimes? That's how I'm feeling right now. So for the past 2 weeks, I switched to email marketing and copywriting, and I started to pick up two of my boys, Andrew and Braden, working on their e-com stores right now, and I've been making them some emails and some flows in Klaviyo, and we're already starting to see some revenue being driven from them. Super exciting. It's just so fascinating how quickly things can move when you actually just sit down, get it done, do the outreach, make the connections, and deliver. And I also just launched my e-com brand on Amazon. Quality Dose is up and live. We got the inventory in the warehouses, so super hype about that. There's not much on the listing, it's still pretty bare. So I still need to make more images, I still need to make the description, optimize the title, and then just go hard there. I'm gonna be marketing on TikTok Shop, like I said in the previous videos, and get some affiliates and get that rolling and off the ground. Super excited to dive into that. I've been waiting for months for this, so I'm just so hyped that it's finally here. Yeah, we're just gonna dive straight into this world. It's gonna be crazy, but it's gonna be a journey, so stick around. And with all this going on, I'm making videos weekly for you guys. It's not gonna be easy, juggling freelancing, my e-com brand, but I do have Ava, my girlfriend. She is just doing a lot of stuff on the personal brand, like content repurposing, and she's gonna do the outreach to the affiliates. She's gonna make some of the videos for Quality Dose, so it's a team effort. But yeah, and I'm still working 40 hours a week, 9 to 5, so it's a lot to juggle. I know a lot of you are juggling things too, so we're in this together, but I just wanted to give a little update because things are moving pretty fast. But that's gonna be it for this week's video. Nothing crazy. I'm committed to documenting this journey. It's crazy how last week I was laying out the plan and all the plan is just starting to fall in place. It's crazy how quickly things can change once you get the ball rolling and start learning and applying yourself and cutting out all the distractions. I don't want to go on a tangent here, but if you are interested in my blueprint on how I plan to escape my 9 to 5, then you'll probably like this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.